What's up, y'all? It's your boy Macklar from Alkaline Herbs and Recipes. Today I have a beautiful cactus apple, also known as Altun, nopal. Now this cactus, this nopal, Altun right here, my diabetes patients, this is what you want to be consuming. This is a great natural way to detox and cleanse diabetes naturally. As you see these Altuns, Tunas, cactus apples, these right here. You can make nopal soup, right? Heavy chlorophyll. What do I mean by chlorophyll? Green, full, rich diet for the chlorophyll is going to cleanse out your pancreas. This is the main thing when you're talking about diabetes, really. It's pancreas cleaning. Whoa, but right here we got the beautiful Altun. Yeah, and I'm going to eat one of these beautiful things right now. Yeah, man. Oh, yeah, man. Yeah, man. Now, if I had diabetes, what this would begin to do would correct my A1C, but I don't have diabetes. All right. Why? Because I just went to the doctor and got labs, and I'm running at optimal health. Why? I eat the correct foods, drink the proper tonics, take the correct minerals, and drink a lot of water. Now, if you know anybody with type 1, type 2 diabetes, I recommend Houston Trap Art. These are called Altuns, nopales, cactus apples. I got a gang of them in there. I just went and bought some. Y'all want me to get one more? I can go get one more. So I'm just right here. These are sweet diabetes treatment. You can put this in a smoothie, eat these like this. Beautiful. Only come this time of year, you know, of cactus. You know what I mean? So you take the cactus leaf too. You go to the Mexican market and say, hey, amigo. Ayúdame. Ayúdame. I'm like, what? I said, look, I got a cactus. I go to the butcher. Cut it up like some carne. I'm like, yeah, diabetico. Somebody diabetico. They go, oh, okay. Cut it up real fine. Take it home, put some tomatoes, onions. You make nopal soup with that, right? You can eat that. Great diabetes cure right there naturally. All right. I do have diabetes kits on my website too. So I just gave you free information as I'm sitting outside listening to the chimes, eating a nopales. Let me get some of this fruit out here. These are cactus apples. You know those little red fruits on cactus apples? Yeah, those what this is. Okay, so there you have it. That was my short little informational live. All right. Nopales, cactus apples, Altuns, anything like that. Eat a bunch of those, a lot of fruit, heavy water. It'll cleanse. These are dedicated to cleansing out the pancreas, the cactus, pancreas, right? Kind of looks like the pancreas too. You see what I'm saying? So the cactus leaf, you know what I mean? The cactus apple kind of looks like the pancreas, right? So the pancreas is where all the secretion of the blood flow is for diabetes, whether it's type 1 or type 2 ones. Either it's not regulating or it's regulating too much, right? So we have to do what? Find that fine balance. Why? Because the pancreas is blocked, okay? And that's what it major is, and it's not getting enough nutrition. People with pancreatic cancer, heavy chlorophyll, you know what I mean? What do I mean by chlorophyll? You take some dandelion greens or some kale, whatever your favorite green is, blend it up with some spring water, strain it, and drink that green juice, right? That's what I mean, chlorophyll. Because why? That's the same structure as your blood on the magnesium level, but also that's going to cleanse your pancreas. All right, guys? And I gotta go get back to work. Go to my website, alkalineherbsandrecipes.com. Use promo code alkaline, save either 28 or 39%. I don't know which one's up there. Also got gut detox kit. Trinidad in the house, wearing beautiful. Hey, RH factor 100. Hey, I'm wearing beautiful San Diego. Yeah, man. You know what I mean? So we're out here just chilling right now, right? Bless up. So yeah, we got the beautiful Altuns. We just ate on those, and I'm gonna sign off, guys. One love.